You had nothing to say. You chose to walk, give what we had away. I hope you get what you're looking for, but babe, with me, you close the door.